Okay, so today I'm putting on a new hose reel. Normally I have to take and rope it up, wrap it up every time. So now I'm gonna put a hose reel on one of the poles. I can just pull it and ease it back in, and it's all tucked away. So we're gonna start with instructions. It's nice, pretty, and yellow with a red hose. So I'm gonna make a mounting plate. I have round poles, so I'm making spacers so that when I tighten it down, it doesn't bend this. Hopefully the wooden spacers that I make will lay perfect on the pole. We'll see what happens. So here's my wood I'm gonna make my spacers out of. I've marked them. I'm gonna cut this one, flip it over, mark this one, and cut that one. Then I'll have my two spacers made. That's what my spacer is going to look like. Lay flat against it, and that bracket will set like that. Hopefully it'll set, you know, like it's supposed to on the pole. All right. Let's go see how this works. I'm going to run these bolts in, get the threads cut into it, and that way I can put them in by hand, because you can't get to them with a gun afterwards. Made it. I ain't got no air. All the holes are in there. I'll put these two in almost all the way. That way I can hang it and then set these in.
And why are you taking those two bolts out?
What do you mean? Because the two top bolts have got to go through the bracket first before you can put them in. The two bottom bolts have got slots on them. The new hose reel is installed. I just have to plumb it. And I want to move this bracket to the bottom, so it'll be just hanging here instead of at the top. It's only 4 bolts, and it'll come down right here at the bottom and be perfect. Thanks for watching.